Hello, Zahir Anwari from Sublime Trading, here to help you through the application process for a CMPA social trading follower account. This is part 2 of 4. In this section, I will be walking you through the financial information section. This covers your financial information, source of funds, employment details, and matching investment objectives. Now, before we proceed any further, do not be daunted by this page. It will require some essential personal information about you as stated by the FCA or the BAFIN to deem that the CMPA social trading platform is appropriate and suitable for you. I am here to guide you through the process to make it as simple and as smooth as possible. So let's get started. The second page collects your financial information. The first section requires a breakdown of your financial information. Now, Saud is in a position to add significant sums to his trading account, but is not employed and so does not have a regular income. If you do have a regular income, then be accurate with your answer. Saud will choose more than $6,000. In the selected amount, after doing some maths, Saud will then enter $10,000 a month, as he has a yearly disposable income of $120,000. Saud is fairly new to the world of trading and investing, and so his current investments total less than $15,000. Using the slide bar that appears, he sets it at $10,000. If you are new to trading, then this would also be the most appropriate answer. And do not be afraid to answer 0 if you have no investments at all. We all have to start somewhere, and now is the best time to get started. If you already have a significant investment portfolio in place, then you can be more accurate with your answer. Saud has up to $350,000 in available cash, so he would need to select the $100,000 to $500,000 option and then use the sidebar to set it to $350,000. In investment in social trading, Saud will choose a maximum of $1 million. New regulations mean a cap will be applied onto how much you can fund a follower account by. Once this cap has been applied, it cannot be lifted. We recommend adding a value that you envisage adding long term to get the maximum cap. This is why Saud chooses a maximum of $1 million. Now, if you choose other amount and start typing your figure, you will notice a warning message that states that social trading follower accounts is not possible with less than $2,000. This is why it is imperative to be in the right position financially when learning to trade, and why if you have answered having an income of less than $2,000 will mean your account will not be approved. In source of funds, there are several answers which you can choose from. For Saud, his money has come from him being in charge of his family wealth, and so other is the most appropriate answer, and where family wealth is added when asked to specify. The next section in this form is about your employment details. If you are able to give an accurate answer, then go ahead and do that. For some of you in the Gulf states, this may not be so straightforward, as you may not be employed but have significant sums to add to your trading account. Saud is in this very position, and so choosing self-employed as his employment status and then energy as the type of business, given that this is where much of his family wealth has come from. The final section on page 2 of this form is about matching your investment objectives with using this social trading platform. As this is a platform where you will be following other traders, there is more risk attached. However, once the account has been approved and opened, I will be showing you the tools available to you on how you can manage your risk and protect your investments while simultaneously giving it a chance to grow. Saud is very much aware of the risks involved and is happy to accept them. He is also not in a rush in these early stages of his trading career to make large returns, but to become more familiar with the CMPA platform and the top traders available to him to follow, and so has a more conservative outlook. This is always the best approach for longevity in the markets. He chooses a moderate income with acceptance of corresponding risk as his investment objectives, and would like to spend a minimum of 2 years getting familiar with and seeing steady returns from the financial markets. This is definitely a good time frame to have. His risk appetite is medium for now, but that is likely to vary as he becomes more experienced. This again is a good outlook to have for longevity in the market. A medium risk appetite can still yield excellent returns if invested in the right places and following the right traders. We have now completed the financial information section. We encourage you to check the whole form over one final time, and once you're happy, click next to proceed. I'll see you in the next video where we will be completing our trading experience.